Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on how to install Postman on Kali Linux. Open your browser and head to the official Postman website. Download the file according to your system architecture. We will go with the Linux 64 for the current machine. Open the terminal on Kali Linux. Navigate to the directory where the Postman package was downloaded using cd command. Extract the contents of the downloaded archive with the tar-xzf command. Move the extracted Postman to op directory. Create a symbolic link for easy access from the terminal with the ln-s command. After creating the desktop file, you need to add the following content, which is also mentioned on the Postman official website, by replacing file location in icon key. Our setup is now complete. Now, to launch Postman, simply search for it in your application menu. That's it. Postman is now installed on your Kali Linux system.